Hey, hello, welcome back to the channel. We are so grateful for this new subscribers that we've noticed. So I think new introductions are in order.
I'm Joe, I'm the pretty one.
I'm Lisa, I'm the ugly one. So this is one of the rare sunny days that we have, and we thought we'd come outside and say hi to you and welcome to this week's vlog.
In case you're wondering, we live in the UK, in Birmingham, UK, but we're originally from Linstead,
St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yeah. So this week we have a lot on. I know some of you have come to see what's new with the apartment that we're fixing up, so that will be in this week as well. We want to go to Costco this week, and we have a big, a social function, a social affair.
At least two this week. Well, next Sunday we have another one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So welcome. Hope you're here for the long haul, and hope you enjoy.
And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. If you're watching this video, you are going to love it.
Thank you. See you later. Let me show you my garden. Doesn't look so pretty yet. Yay. But soon out here will be gorgeous.
Have you seen this pink one?
Let me see. Yeah, beautiful.
Pink and white.
So we started the week off almost immediately working on the pantry for the new apartment. So in there at the bottom is the electrical fuse box, and I don't like the look of it. So I'm going to cover this cardboard with this beautiful wallpaper, and then it's going to be in the pantry at the lower section. There's the kitchen floor, and right next to it is the pantry. This room that I'm going to dedicate as a pantry. This is it. At the bottom of it, however, is the electricity point thing. So I'm going to block off that bit somehow, and then these three shelves, 1, 2, 3, will be pantry, and that one is quite high. And as well, we had taken out the shelves out of the pantry, cleaned them down properly, and I was trying there at the apartment to put the contact paper on, just this really nice marble contact paper. However, the house was so cold that the contact paper just would not stick. So that's when we decided to take them home, take the shelves home, take the contact paper back home, and that's what I'm doing here. And they have adhered really well, and they're back now in the apartment. Next on the list, we wanted to get quotes for blinds. So we went into the nearest shop that sells blinds closest to us. They had a wide variety to choose from. And then we asked for a quote, which turned out to be £435 for 3 blinds. So no way we could accept that. So we had to move on to somewhere else. Next up was B&Q, and that was a quick little trip for paint, which we got. So the painting should be on the way shortly. The only thing here, though, is that we'll have to install the blinds ourselves or get somebody else to do it at a much cheaper rate. So this working lady just came back from shopping. Let's see her haul.
After she hung up her jacket over the door.
What's it for me? Thank you. Yes, and for me as well. Thank you.
Raspberries. Strawberries. This salt and pepper seasoning I thought would be nice on the corn pieces, you know, the chicken ones.
Yeah.
Some flavour. Like cracker type thingies.
Yeah.
Rosemary sea salt flatbreads. Antigen.
Oh, thank
you. Risotto. I think I've had this before and I liked it.
I don't like risotto, but
good thing it's for me. Hash browns.
Oh yeah.
I really like these ones.
Is that from Aldi?
Yeah, it looks like McDonald's, but it's Aldi. I used to have this soup at uni all the time. It's Moroccan inspired chicken soup and it's really good with like some crusty bread, and I've got some crusty bread in the freezer.
Okay.
So that'll be good. Some cheese, smoky cheddar just to go with these.
Okay.
A nice snack. Peaches, because we had a tin but I ate it. New potatoes. These are nice in the air fryer, really crispy and good.
Yeah.
Then I got this, which is chicken noodle meal, sweet and sour. So it's like chicken noodles basically, and then you just like shallow fry it for 14 minutes.
Okay.
I'm excited to try that. And then some sweets. And that is my haul. Guess the price.
12.
No, more.
14.60.
More.
17.
Close. Hold on. Oh no, not close. More.
20.
Well, £21.34.
Lucky thing, you're working, life's getting hard. Alright, thanks for the haul. So as a result of Shali's new job, we were able to get discounted Costco membership cards, and so we went to Costco for the first time without having to borrow somebody's card. Back home from Costco. We might have a Costco haul, but right now, pre this jackfruit, and it's nice. Not too soft. It's not soft at all. Quite firm. Sweet. Could be a little bit sweeter, but it tastes really, really good. £5 at Costco. Passenger princess.
Me, I know it was my menopause.
Yeah. One was more
Real nice. Rock the
in this section of the video, I can just imagine you laughing. But laugh all you want. We were having so much fun.
I'm tired.
Your tray.
Come on, Lorenza!
Yeah.
No, somebody take out it.
No, Jewel! Sister Jewel!
Me feel you take out it. Somebody take out me treasure. Yeah, take out me treasure. Boy, at the church, we ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah, we at the church, we ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah, we at the church, we ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah.
One man here, one woman there.
We coming.
Yes, we can.
You can't hear me. That's what Missy care about. What you go with the music? I go like
Two.
Go next color.
Have a very good night. Triangle salon. Shape one leg. Get the beat.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, knees, shoulders, head, cup.
That was what you call having fun. It was wholesome. It was healthy. In some cases, it was hard work, learning those dance moves and steps and keeping in tune with the young people. Hard. So this morning when I woke up, my face hurt from laughing so much. My hips hurt. My knee, one knee, my right knee especially hurt.
My back and legs.
That's Joe. Her back and legs, she said, hurt. But it's another day and there's still stuff to be done, so we're getting on with it. hoping that you're well. I'm on my little morning walk that I tend to do now and again. Well, nowadays, for the past 2 weeks, this is the third week, I've tried to get in a little morning walk before work starts. It is a cold one today, but I like that I get to at least get out of the house first thing in the morning before I'm stuck at a desk all day, either in the office or at home. I'm grateful for the chance to see my neighborhood, see nature, and appreciate it. Last weekend we went to this little function just to celebrate women, to affirm women, to big up each other. And one of the things that stuck with me is that you're to sometimes look in the mirror and appreciate who you are. Saying positive things to yourself, promising yourself, to be onwards and upwards all the time, whatever happens. Don't let anything get you down, not for too long at least. I know sometimes it's easy to say, don't let things get you down, but as humans we will get down sometimes. The hope is that we pick up back really soon, because the world depends on you. Do you know how many people need you? How many people are relying on you? How many people want you to carry out your part of the bargain or task? So this is my little journey. I left out about 10 minutes later this morning because I had a few things to do. I'll show you a little more of the journey in a little bit. Look at the trees. The state of the trees remind me of, what we go through in life sometimes. We could either give up on these trees and cut them down, give up on them and say they're never coming to anything, or we can appreciate that it is spring, so they will come back to life. They never stay in this state forever. And just the same with us, if we are hurt or torn or bereaved even, and the feelings that you go through then, just tell yourself it might be long, it might be months, even years, but it definitely will not be forever. There is hope. We're going to feel better soon. So chin up, my friends, you will feel better. Home to prepare breakfast and then start my day. For breakfast today, let's show you what I'm having. An apple, an orange, and I'm going to make a pot of ginger tea. Well, hot ginger. Hope you have a good day, guys. See you soon. Well, one thing with housework, you can never get it done. There's always some more to do.
But I have more exciting things I'd like to do now. So I'm going to go look for the white goods for the apartment. So Joey's working, Shali's working. I'm gonna see if Julian wants to go with me. Then we're going to look at fridge, freezers, washing machine, cooker. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So we'll catch up later.
Okay.
Oh, and these are nice.
Yeah. You can go 60, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So look, that's on for 399. Yeah. I'm gonna do a zero. You're gonna have 299. We're doing enough on these. Yeah. Okay, cool. And you wanna wash your as well, yeah? Yeah. Cool.
Oh, the SIA, and if something there was SIA too.
Yeah.
Sorry about this blinding sun, but it's a glorious day. And we picked the washer, cooker, and refrigerator. So those will be installed on Friday, and then the flooring is going to be done on Thursday. So there's your update. Back at the property to have another look, and the living room so far is painted. That's the only room I've seen that's completely painted. But in some other rooms, I can see that painting has begun, but not yet completed. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, today we wanted to do a taste test of some interesting looking tomatoes. I'm going to show you what the tomatoes look like. Yeah. And we bought them at Costco over the weekend. I like the variety, the different colors and textures. I'd love to get some of the seeds to plant. Yeah, that's especially this one. Looks like I've never seen it before, and that one too. And that. Oh yeah, we've never had those before. So we've washed them, dried them, sliced them up, and we're going to see which one perhaps we like the best, or just see what they taste like. Most of these we've never had before. Yeah. And one good point. Colored foods are rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. Yes, so they're good for you. So the more colorful foods you can get into your diet, the better for you. And tomatoes are usually good with vitamin C as well. Yes, yeah, that's true. Vitamin C and A. I think let's go for this yellow one. Very firm on the outside. Yeah, chunky. You know, sometimes there are some tomatoes where you feel like you have to peel it to eat it. That sort of taste. Yeah. But okay. But tastes good, tastes like tomatoes. Not too tangy. No. This one? Yeah. So this one is next. Sort of looks pink. Slightly pinker than red. It's shaped in like pegs. Yeah. This one is sweet. And this tastes like organic. No tangy at all. Very lovely flavor, that one. Yeah, I love that one. Let's go around to this one. So this has a dark greeny burgundy color. I was going to say look like, but I won't say that word. Kind of olive. Olive with a hint of red. That
that was the grocery delivery, so we had to pause a bit. So we're back, hands washed, ready.
Yeah. So this one,
the last one we put in was so nice.
Yes.
Wow,
No
that
taste
was my
of
best.
tangy. Just fresh and
Yeah.
like if there's a word that could describe organic, that would be it.
Yeah, and like you don't need anything else. You could slice this up and eat
Yeah.
it.
So I'm going to do some of these with the
Yeah.
jerk chicken that we have left over.
So if you see this for sale, it's nice.
Right.
Try
Yeah.
it.
Right, next one. This, which is similar to the last one we just tried, but
Yeah.
has more tinge of red than the
Yeah.
burgundy. That as well.
This is nice too, but a little more tangy.
A little tang, just a little.
The other one didn't have any tangy taste at all.
In fact, you know, some tomatoes just regularly sour.
Mm.
I've not tasted any. This, I have a feeling this
It's the same as this one.
is very similar because in here has a little more red than this.
Oh.
So I'm not sure, but very similar.
Tough on the outside. Different.
Tough and sour.
Very nice though, but very different to these two.
Yeah, tastes different.
Very, very firm on the outside.
Yeah, the skin has bite to it.
Very juicy.
It's nice, they're all nice. It's a little bit more tangy, but not sour.
Flavor different. Bite, the texture is thick.
Well, that's good. I love them. If I see them again, I'd buy them again. So some of these we can use for just as part of the dish
Salad.
with protein, yeah? So meat and tomatoes.
Yeah.
I think that's what we should have today.
Oh yeah, we have jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. Pepper and ketchup and slices of tomatoes.
Yeah.
Right. Delicious, I'd say. Now with that, we're going to come to the end of this week's vlog. We hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for staying with us for all the shenanigans that we got up to this week. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It's free and you'll definitely love it around here. So please join the family and have some fun with us, especially when we go live. We have a group of ladies and a few men who join us whenever we're live and have a good laugh with us. So put on your notification, post notification bell, click that, and then once we post a video or we're going to go live, you'll be notified and you can join in the fun. Thanks again.
A special shout out to the class of 94, you know yourselves. This week I got reacquainted with some students I taught years ago.
Many years, 20.
My first teaching
or
job
so.
as a young teacher from college, and they remember me. Shh, some of them I don't remember. But yeah, I've had a really good week, and I hope you have a good week as well.
Right.
See you next
Take
time.
care, guys. Bye-bye.